Maya Paldo Kekongan, kamusta ko po mga kabalen? Pagod na ba kayong magtrabaho ng mahabang oras? Gusto niyo bang makapag-retire ng maaga at makapag-travel abroad na kasama ang mga mahal niyo sa buhay without sacrificing your bills? Please don't skip this ad and give me just few minutes of your time. I know this is not an accident why you're here, and you are here for a reason. On this video, I'm going to share with you how a small action will lead to a great opportunity. I am Marian Reynoso, living here in Houston, Texas, but originally from the Philippines po ako. Opo, Kapampangan po ako from Macabebe, Pampanga. I am working as an accounts receivable supervisor. Last 2017, kinasal po kami ng asawa ko at nagstay na po ako dito sa US for good. Filipino rin po yung asawa ko, taga Torrijos, Marinduque po siya. Pero ang malungkot lang po na part is naiwan ko ang nag-iisang anak ko sa Pilipinas. Pangarap ko po na makuha ko siya at makarating siya rito, kaya nag-iisip po ako ng paraan, and I pray to God na bigyan ako ng chance to look for some other way para matupad ko iyon. Although my husband and I have both stable jobs, we are still having a hard time to make both ends meet. Our paycheck is just enough to cover our day-to-day expenses. Dahil na rin sa mahal ng bilihin dito sa Amerika, I have these huge dreams na kung iisipin mo ay napaka-imposibleng marating. Until one day, habang nanonood po ako ng homily ni Father Gatus, I saw these ads. Gaya ng napapanood nyo ngayon. Her story captivated me at bilang nanay, nakarelate ako talaga sa kanya. By doing this business, nakapag-quit siya sa 2 jobs niya. Nagkaroon na rin siya ng time sa family niya. At wala na siyang problema sa pagpapadala ng financial help sa Philippines. Nakakapag-save na siya ng retirement nila, and the best thing is, nabayaran nila ang mga consumer debts nila. That's exactly what I need. Pero syempre, sa una, I was skeptical dahil I have no experience in online business. I'm not a tech-savvy person, but I listen to my instinct. I register my name and email address and watch a 90-minute webinar. I saw the big potential in this business kaya nag-start ako agad-agad. It has video and module training na guide mo para makapag-start ka. At ang kinatatakutan ko ay hindi naman pala problema dahil aside sa step-by-step training, meron kang unlimited mentors and coaches na tutulong sa'yo as you start your own online business. It also has automated system that will work for you na kahit natutulog ka, nasa work ka man, or you are busy as a mom, your system will run in the background 24/7. At isa pa sa nagustuhan ko, there's no selling involved, so no bugging of friends and families. You don't need to recruit. There's no inventories. All the works is being done by the system. Amazing, di ba? On top of that, the business is legitimate. It's federal tax registered. You will receive a tax slip at the end of the year, the 1099 form, kasi nandito po tayo sa US. And being on the inside now, I can say that I am blessed because I found this business. Now I can tell na unti-unti ko nang nararamdaman na maaabot na namin ang pangharap namin sa buhay. So if you have big dreams like me, kung gusto mo ring mabago ang buhay mo, if you are coachable and has a motivation for success, ito na ang hinahanap mo. Please connect with me. Just click the Learn More button below and it will open up like this. And you will be redirected to my website page. Just put your name and email address so I can give you the free access link to a 90-minute webinar. Yes, your first step is to watch the free 90-minute webinar. You need to get yourself an informed decision and see if this business is aligned with your interest. Pagkatapos mong mapanood ang webinar, you will be able to decide if it's the right opportunity for you. And in case, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang webinar, then please proceed with the next step. And also, I encourage you to add me on Facebook so that I can assist you better. Just take a leap of faith. If you want to change your life, you need to start it now. Okay? I'll see you on the inside. God bless you. Bye.